One way we can classify a triangle is based on the size of its angles. So let's begin by defining angles based on their size. Starting with an acute angle, that's an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. These angles are small angles. Here's an example of an acute angle. Notice the angle is very small. Next, we have an obtuse angle. These are angles that measure more than 90 degrees. These are very large angles. Here's an example of an obtuse angle measuring more than 90 degrees. Lastly, we have a right angle. A right angle is an angle that is 90 degrees. Here's an example of a right angle. Often you see a little square in the corner to indicate that it is exactly 90 degrees. We're going to get cheesy here for a moment, but maybe this will help you remember the names of the angles. When you think of things that are small, like babies or puppies, oh, they're so cute, acute. Things that are small are cute. So we have our acute angle. The word obtuse sounds a lot like obese. These are our fat angles. Perhaps you remember the story of Goldilocks and the Three Little Bears. She was looking for something that was not too small and not too big, something that was just right. So that angle that is not too big and not too small is just right. To classify a triangle based on its angles, notice that first one, every single angle there is a small angle. They are all smaller than 90 degrees. So this one is an acute triangle. In the next one, we can see one angle that is very large, that angle that's 115 degrees. That means that this triangle is an obtuse triangle. Triangles that have one angle that is over 90 degrees are obtuse triangles. Next, we have a right triangle. Notice the angle in the corner is 90 degrees. Any triangle with a 90-degree angle is a right triangle. In summary, if all of the angles in the triangle are acute, then you have an acute triangle. If one of the angles in your triangle is bigger than 90, then you have an obtuse triangle. And if one of the angles in your triangle is 90 degrees, then you have a right triangle.